또한 부주의로 휴대용 가스 사고.
부탄가스통을 잘못 따라서 난 사고로
휴대용 가스레인지 폭발 사고가 또 일어났습니다.
Gas. It ordinarily seems to be convenient and safe, but it is always in danger of explosion. As the portable gas has been increasingly used, about 20 gas-related accidents occur annually on average, especially because the user's carelessness causes 98% of the portable gas range-related accidents. The user must be careful of it. Well, the portable butane gas convenient but dangerous to be exploded. How can we be safe? The CRB, the explosion prevention device for the portable butane gas, securing the invention patent by the consistent technology development of Daewoo Can Company Limited, minimizes the injury and the property damage by preventing the explosion accident caused by the user's careless handling on the portable butane gas. The existing butane gas may cause the loss of lives and the property damage because the can, highly heated from the environment while being used, is exploded when the pressure of the liquefied gas in the can is excessively increased. Equipped with CRB, Max will not explode even if external heat causes excessive pressure increase in the can. It releases gas through dot-shaped explosion-proof vents in the countersink at the top of the can, preventing loss of life and property from explosion. Let's see the gas explosion power by the test. Under the testing condition at the dining room, mostly using the portable gas stove. Let's try the explosion test on the existing butane gas can. Place the grill on the portable gas stove and turn on the stove, and then place it on the heated plate prepared for the test. After a while, the butane gas can is exploded with a roaring sound, and its broken pieces are flown out to tens of meters. It is exploded because the temperature of the butane gas is excessively increased, and the gas pressure of the can is getting higher than the endurable pressure. Next, let's see the explosion test of the Max equipped with the CRB under the same condition. As same as the previous test, even when the gas pressure is getting excessively high because the butane gas can is overheated after a specific period, we can see that there is no explosion and the gas is vented from the explosion prevention holes. This is the scene proving that CRB, the explosion prevention device, has the effects of preventing loss of life and property by preventing the can from exploding. Also, you can easily put out fires with a fire extinguisher or a blanket. The CRB explosion prevention device is registered as invention patented technology, and its technological excellence is approved by attaining the certification from UL Company, the Worldwide Safety Estimation Organization. Now you can safely use the portable butane gas with the CRB logo, just like the safety mark. Only explosion-proof butane cans can bear the CRB logo. The Max is achieving the nation with no butane gas accidents, and the home filled with happiness. The Max, the portable butane gas of Daewoo Can Company Limited, is the promise of keeping the customer's happiness. We will lead the new safety culture of the portable butane gas with the best technology and service for implementing the world with no butane gas-related accidents.